In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the NVIDIA instant replay not recording. What you want to do is head over to settings and enable NVIDIA overlay. After that, we want to open up the settings. If you have the old NVIDIA, I suggest you update the new one, but you can also do the exact same on the old one. It's just going to look a little bit different. What you should do is head over to instant replay here. And the first thing you want to do is just quickly turn it on and off and see if that works. Now, if this still doesn't work, just turn it off, go to configure video capture. In here, try and enable desktop capture and then come back and turn it on and see if that works. If it still doesn't, just turn it off, and we turn this off as well. In here, you want to make sure that your frame rate is set to something that your PC can handle. So if you have a low-end PC, it's not good to have frame rate on like 300 FPS or something, and it's the same with the bitrate. Now, the lower bitrate you go, the lower the file will be. So make sure if you don't have enough space to have just a little bit of bitrate instead of a lot. Now, the second thing we can do is come back 2 times, find the settings up here, and from in here go to files and disk space. In here we want to make sure that our folders have enough space on them. So as you can see, this is my C drive. So if you click here, you can change your location by clicking here and choose a new file where you want to have the downloads. So if on your C drive you have no more space, you cannot do the recordings. So that's basically the things you can try. Now I suggest if it still doesn't work, that you try and reinstall the NVIDIA app and see if that works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.